Visit zenexatech.com.
Welcome to a new video on Pro Tutor Guides. In today's video, I will teach you how you can make a circle webcam on OBS Studio. Let's move to our screen. Here is my webcam and you can see here my video is on square shape. Now I will make this a round circle. First of all, you can select your webcam, take option and go to this filter. From here, let's make slightly smaller to fit in our screen. Okay, now inside this effect filter, click on this plus icon and find for image max blend. Click on this, give a name, and from here you have to choose a path. Click on this browse, and I have already downloaded this circle webcam PNG file for OBS Studio. You can download it from the description on this video. I'll put the download link for this on the description of this video. So open. Now you can see here our video is on circle. You can set color and other option as you want. Now click on this close and you can adjust its size. You can place this any corner of this video. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe to Zenexatech on the YouTube, and also you can visit our blog website for more informative vlog. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Have a good day.
All new Zenexatech, your guide to the future of technology. Visit zenexatech.com.